Neymar continued to take the piss in France, this time in the domestic cup against Rennes. The only way to stop Neymar. Paris Saint-Germain are on course to regain the French Ligue 1 title after racking up an impressive 19 league victories from their opening 23 games. The French Giants have 59 points on the board, 11 ahead of nearest rivals, Lyon. But on Tuesday night, PSG averted their attention to the French League Cup Coupe de la Ligue. And the defending champions booked their spot in the final with a 3-2 victory over Rennes. While Neymar didn't get on the score sheet, he did leave his impression on the cup tie with some truly ridiculous showboating. From controlling the ball with his back to rinsing some poor lad. Then he did this. Meanwhile, the French leaders will resume their league campaign on Saturday when they travel to Lille.